Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this body is designed a stud design, and this is a perfect and this lecture is very helpful. This lecture is very useful and helpful for a beginner student. And this is a final assembly body, and this is a stop wall project, and all parts is one by one is design here, and last is all parts is assemble here, and this is a final assemble of this body. And this is a stud, and a stud design is this is a two stud and both side, and one is this is a perfect and correct. And guys, this body is designed and how to this body is designed easily and clearly, and all 2D drafting is also available here, and this is a cosmetic thread is also available here. Okay, and this is a final this is a stud design, and this is a cosmetic thread is also looking here, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, and this is a perfect and correct, and this body is a simple design here easily and clearly. Okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first select a part, and some setting is very important, and this is a plain white, and going to option and option is this is this document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect. Okay, and okay, this is a perfect, and this is a right plane is select here a better, because all geometry is this is showing here, and this is a 19 millimeter is this distance, and this is a 12 millimeter, and this is distance is a 26 millimeter, and this is 100 millimeter and 52 millimeter, and this chamfer is a 2 millimeter 45 degree angle, and full length is 84 millimeter, and this is a thickness is 3 millimeter. Okay, and this is 38 millimeter this is diameter, and this is a 24 millimeter diameter, then this is a 90 millimeter radius, then diameter is 38 millimeter, and 12 millimeter is radius, then 24 millimeter is diameter. Okay, and one by one is drawing here. Okay, this is a perfect. At first select a right plane. Okay, and 2. Okay, and at first select a 2 line is a drawing here. This is a perfect, and again select a line, this line to this. Okay, but this line is a bigger, then both is perfect, and drawing a simple geometry, then select this center point, and drawing a line. This is a perfect, this is a correct and perfect, this line to this, and select this, and again this line to connect this, and this line to this. Okay, and this drawing this, and this to connect to this. Okay, all is perfect, but some relation is very important, and relation is this, and first line, and press a control button, and this line and this line select a collinear is this. Okay, and also select this line, press a control button, and this line is select here, and use a collinear and also equal. Okay, both relation is showing here. Okay. Okay, and mention or dimension is a this distance is a 12 millimeter. Okay, and select this line to this is a 19 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is a select 3 millimeter. Okay, and also this line is a line 100 millimeter. Okay, this is a perfect and correct, but this line is a drag here. Okay, and okay, and also this line is a 26 millimeter, and also this line is a 52 millimeter. Okay, and okay, this is a perfect and correct, and this line is this. Okay, and this distance is 52 millimeter, and this is 100 millimeter, and this is a 26 millimeter, and this is a 19 millimeter, and this is a 12 millimeter. Okay, okay. And this is a perfect. Okay, and this all is a fully defined, and this length is a 180 millimeter, but this is a not a this make driven dimension. This is a not showing here, and okay, this is a perfect and correct. This is a 19 millimeter is also drawing here, and 12 millimeter is perfect. 26 millimeter or 100 millimeter, and this is a 52 millimeter, and this is 3 millimeter. All is perfect and correct. Okay, and going to this is a 3 millimeter is also perfect. Okay, and going to this revolve boss base, and axis, this axis is a select here, and this. Okay, all is perfect, and click OK. Okay, this body is a convert a 3D model, use a 2D drafting, help of a 2D drafting, and this model is a convert a 3D model, and this body is looking perfect and correct. And going to this chamfer, and 2 millimeter 45 degree angle, and all both edge is select here one by one, and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect 2 millimeter 45 degree angle, all is correct. And this cosmetic thread is apply here, a length is 26 millimeter, and size is 24, and ISO. Okay, and this use a machine thread is a perfect, and also both is same, and one by one is cosmetic thread is apply here. And also use a color is a this going to this appearance, and metal is steel is a this color is a perfect, and also this a perfect, and steel, and going to this. Okay, this is a perfect looking here. And also apply a cosmetic thread, and at first going to cosmetic thread, then at first going to option and document properties, and going to detailing, and this select cosmetic thread is unchecked, and click a check here, because this is a showing easily, and this is not check here, then this is a cosmetic thread is not showing here. and apply a insert and going to annotation and cosmetic thread. Okay, and at first select this edge. Okay, this is showing here, but this is not showing here, this is unchecked, and click a check, then this is showing here, and click ISO and machine thread is perfect, and going to blind, and size is M24 and length is 26 millimeter. Okay, and all is, and select this face and click OK and click OK, and again select going to insert and annotation and cosmetic thread, then this edge is selected and this face is also selected, and ISO and machine thread, and this is a M size is M24 and 26 is a OK. This is a perfect and correct. Okay. Okay, all is perfect, and color is also changed here because this is a perfect. Okay, this is a very nice looking here. Okay, all is a perfect and correct, and all geometry is you can see here. Okay, not mention here. Okay, all is perfect and correct. Okay, this body is finally drawing here, and guys, okay, and guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe the channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this is a very important lecture. Today discuss here a gland design. Okay, this body is a design here a gland, and this is a gland design, and how to this body is designed and how to use this assemble body, and this is a gland body, and how to this body is designed. And guys, this is a 2D drafting is also available here, and this is a front view, and this is a right view, and this is a top view, and all view is a you can see here, and all dimension you can see here easily, and all dimension in millimeter. And this body is designed here isometric view. Okay, and this is a stop wall project, and how, and at first one by one all part is separate here, one by one is drawing here, and last is this body is assemble here. Okay, this body is designed, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly, help of 2D drafting. And this is a very nice looking here. Okay, this is a all view is perfect and correct, and this is a perfect, and isometric view is also this is a perfect looking here. Okay, and this body is designed easily and clearly. Let's start here this body is design. Okay, at first select this part, and some setting is very important. This setting is a plain white, and going to this option, and going to this document properties, and image quality is very high. Okay, this is a because all geometry line is looking perfect. Okay, at first select, at first you can see here 2D drafting is also available here, and okay, this is a perfect, this is a front view, and this is a top view, and okay, this length is 30 millimeter, and this a small circle is drawing here a 12 millimeter. This 12 millimeter and this 12 millimeter is same, and this is a length is a 38 millimeter, and this is a 28 millimeter is diameter, and this is a same, and full length is a 88 millimeter, and this length is a 62 millimeter. Okay, and this is a 56 millimeter, and this length is a this radius is 28 millimeter, and this diameter is 56 millimeter. Okay, and this is a fillet is used here. A radius is 50 millimeter. Okay, 1 by 1 is all point is, and this angle is 60-degree angle, and this thickness is 12 millimeter. Okay, at first drawing a top plane, select here and draw a reference line. A two line is a drawing here easily. At first drawing a two. Okay, this line is a this point, and this line is a coincident, and this line is a vertical. Okay, and again select a line, then this line is a this to this. Okay, this line to this, and this is a also relation is coincident, and this is a horizontal. Okay, all is perfect. And select a two circle is drawing here this line 1 by 1. Okay, and mention dimension, and this dimension is this is a 12 millimeter, and this is a 38 millimeter. Okay, this is a 38 millimeter, and this is a 12 millimeter. Okay, two circle is a drawing here easily, and then again select again click line, select a line, and line is a drawing here. This is a tangent. Okay, this line is a tangent line, and this line is selected and going to this mirror entities and mirror about this line. Okay, and all is perfect, and again select above all is select here, going to mirror entities and select about this. Okay, all is select here. Okay, all is select here this line, and okay, and going to mirror. Okay, again select this line. Okay, mirror about this line is perfect, and click OK. And mention a dimension is this point, and this point. Okay, and this circle is also mirror is this. Okay, this is perfect. Okay, and this point. Okay, line is this line is a drawing here this. Okay, and this line is this. Okay, and this dimension this point, and press a control button and select this point, and this distance is 88 millimeter, and this point to this point distance is 62 millimeter. Okay, okay, all is perfect and correct. Okay, and this is perfect and correct. Okay, all is perfect. This is 38 millimeter, and this is 88 millimeter and 62 millimeter. This circle is drawing here. This is 12 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect. And again select a midpoint and draw a circle. So this select this circle, and this diameter is 20 millimeter. 28 millimeter is perfect. and all is a black color, means this is a fully defined, and this circle is drawing here a 28 millimeter is this. Okay, and going to this extrude boss base and select all. Okay, this is a perfect and correct, and this thickness is a 12 millimeter. Okay, okay, and use this fillet. This fillet is used here, and 50 millimeter, and select a 1 by 1 both side edge and click OK. Okay, and this is perfect, and again select this line is this. This part is a drawing here, and upper part is easily drawing here, and this distance is a 28 millimeter, and this angle is 60 degree angle. Okay, and all is perfect. Okay, and this length is 30 millimeter. Okay, and again select a top plane. This is a front plane, sketch normal. Reference line is a center line is drawing here. Line is a simple, this line is drawing here. This geometry is showing here this, and this geometry is drawing here easily, and this to connect to this. Okay, and select this body. This body is going to this wireframe. Okay, and perfect, and select this point and press a control button, and this line is a selector, and this use a make appears. Okay, and going to normal. Okay, and mention a dimension. This dimension is a 30 millimeter. Okay, and this point and this point select this 28 millimeter is radius, and this angle is a 60 degree angle. Okay, okay, this angle is 60 degree, and okay, all is perfect. Going to this, and this angle is also okay, and okay. Okay, all is perfect and correct. Okay, all is perfect, and all is black color, means all is fully defined. And going to this a revolve boss base, and this preview is showing here, and this going to this and make this body is okay, and okay, okay, this body is drawing here easily and clearly, and all geometry is used here, and all line is drawing here easily. Okay, all is perfect and correct, and all geometry line is, all geometry dimension is use here. And select a material going to this appearance, and metal and nickel polished nickel is this. Okay, all is perfect and correct. Okay, all is okay, and isometric view is also perfect. Okay, okay. Guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, at first select, guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, And guys, this is a very important lecture. This is a bridge of valve. Okay, and this body is a, this part is a bridge of valve, and this part is this is a, this body is drawing here, and this is a isometric view, and 3D drafting is also available here, and this is a front view, and this is right view, and this is a top view. Okay, all dimension in millimeter. And this lecture is very important for a beginner, a student, and this project is a very important, and this project is a stop wall project, and all parts is one by one is drawing here, and last is a, this all body is assembled here easily and clearly. Okay, and let's start here. This body is design. Okay, this body is designed here, and this is a color, this material is a brush, and how to this body is easily and clearly. Okay, and back side is this, and also this thread is apply here, and thread is also very nice looking here. Okay, guys, this body is a perfect drawing, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly today discuss here. Okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first select this part, and some setting is very important, and all dimension in millimeter, grams second. Okay, this is a perfect, and use a plain white. Okay, and going to option is a document properties, and image quality is very high because all line is, all geometry line is looking perfect. Okay, and okay, at first drawing this body, help of this to the drafting. At first drawing this geometry, and this distance is 19 millimeter is radius, and this distance is 14 millimeter, and this distance is 28 millimeter, and this is a 10 millimeter, and this is a 26 millimeter, and this red color 6 is a revolution 6. This is a pitch, and this is a height and pitch, and height and revolution. This revolution is 6, this turn is 6, and this is a 50 millimeter height. This thread is used here. This 50 millimeter is this both side is a fillet is used here, and this length is a okay. At first drawing a plane is a better is a right plane. Okay, two line is a reference line is drawing here one by one, because this line is very useful and helpful. Okay, and okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and this is a relation is a coincident, and this is a horizontal, and this is a coincident and vertical, both is a perfect. Okay, and at first select a line is a, this is a drawing this okay, and perfect and correct. Okay, and drawing this select this this geometry is a drawing here, and this curve is a drawing this, and select horizontal line, and this is a connect to this, and this is a very important. This geometry, this drawing simple drawing here, and align a dimension. At first drawing this distance is 19 millimeter is full length, and 14 millimeter is half this length. Okay, this distance is a 14 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is a 90 millimeter. This distance is a 28 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is a okay, this is a 26 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect. and okay, and also this distance is a 10 millimeter. Okay, all is a black, all is fully defined, then all is a black color means this is a fully defined and all is correct. Okay, and this is a perfect. This is a radius, this is a 14 millimeter and 19 millimeter, 28 millimeter and 10 on 26, all is a perfect. Okay, all dimension is perfect. And going to this revolve boss base and select this axis, and okay, all is perfect. Okay, okay, and this is a perfect and correct. Okay, all is a perfect. And again select this face sketch normal, and again select again drawing this body, then this is a, this height is 120 millimeter, this is a 76 millimeter, and this is very very important. This circle is drawing here 60 millimeter diameter, and this is a 24 millimeter, and this is a cutout is a, this 34 millimeter is a, this use a thread. Okay, okay, and at first drawing a reference line, again select a, okay, both reference line is drawing here. Okay, connect to this reference line is very very important, and draw a circle. Circle is drawing here this two circle is drawing here. First is a diameter is a 60 millimeter, and second is a diameter is 24 millimeter. Okay, and connect a line. A line is a tangent and connect to this, and again select this line and mirror entities and press click a mirror about this, and okay, and again select all, press a control button and all is a select here one by one, and use a mirror entities and going to this mirror about this, click OK. Okay, and align a dimension. Dimension is this point to this point, distance is a 120. Okay, and this point to this point distance is a 76. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and this is a perfect and correct. Okay, all is a perfect. All is black color means this is a fully defined, and all is a, this is a tangent line. Okay, all is correct. And okay, this geometry is a perfect. This is a 120 millimeter and 26 millimeter, and this is a drawing a circle. 60 millimeter is diameter and 24 millimeter diameter, and then use this 34 millimeter is last, or use a thread, and going to this extrude cut and apply a extra portion is delete here. Okay, and select this and this. Okay, and through all extra portion is delete here, and okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and again select a fillet, use here a 50 millimeter, and both edge is select here. Okay, and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. and again select this face, sketch, normal, or drawing a circle. Circle is this, and this diameter is a 34 millimeter. Okay, and this is exit, because apply a this is apply a helix and a spiral, and this is a perfect, and this is use a height and revolution, and height and pitch. Height and pitch is also perfect. Okay, and this is a very important, and height is 50 millimeter and pitch is a 6 millimeter. Okay, and direction is reverse, and this is a clockwise is perfect, and angle is 0 degree, and all is perfect, because this is a very important. Height and pitch is perfect, and height is 50 millimeter and pitch is 6 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect, and reverse direction is perfect, angle is 0 degree and clockwise, and click OK. Okay, and this is a perfect, and again select a right plane, sketch, normal. Okay, and use a corner rectangle, and draw a corner rectangle is drawing here, and this distance is a 3 millimeter is a length, and 3 millimeter is also height. Both is equal, because this is a 3 millimeter is a length and height. Okay, and this point, press a control, select here and press a control button, and this use this line, select here and use a pierce. Okay, this is a black color, means this is also fully defined, and exit, and use a sweep cut, and sweep cut is also select here, automatic select here this profile, and path is a select here this path. Okay, all is perfect, and all is correct, and click OK. Okay, this is a this line is a hide, and this thread is also drawing here easily and clearly, and going to this material is apply here, and metal, and brush is a polish brush is perfect. Okay, and also this is a select here and going to this aluminum, and okay, this is a perfect, but going to this select here, and material is a okay, select here and going to this appearance, and this is a black color, means this is a perfect. Okay, also very nice looking here, and also this is a perfect, select body and appearance, going to this color and going to this. Okay, okay, this is a looking perfect, and isometric view. Okay, all is a looking perfect and correct. Okay, and this is a very nice looking here. Okay, okay guys, and all geometry and all line is a use here, and all is perfect and correct. Okay, and guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a use a SolidWorks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this is a part 10. Is this lecture is very important, and this lecture is a valve cover design and how to this body is designed easily and clearly today discuss here. And this is a valve cover design, and valve cover design is very important. And this cover is this cover is a back side, and this cover is this and also all dimension in millimeter, and also this is isometric view, and also 2D drafting is available here, and all dimension is you can see here on the screen. And this is a front view, and this is a right view, and this is a top view. All dimension you can see here easily and clearly. And this all dimension is a help of all this body is design. And this project is a stop wall project, and all parts is separate one by one is drawing here, and last is this body is assemble here. Okay, this body is design, and this body is a valve cover design, and how to this body is easily and clearly is a drawing here. And today discuss here a very important lecture, and this lecture is very important for a beginner student, and also professional student is also better, and all is looking perfect. And both side is you can see here on the screen. This is a very nice looking here, and the material is a brush. Okay, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly today discuss here. Let's start here this body is design. At first some setting is very important. First is this use a plain white and this going to document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect. Okay, all is correct. Okay, and at first select right plane is better, and right plane all dimension you can see here on the screen. And this a simple geometry is drawing here, and a big diameter radius is a 138 millimeter, and this is a 88 millimeter, and this radius is 81 millimeter distance, and this is a 35 millimeter, and this is a 28 millimeter, and this distance is 47 millimeter, and this is a length is a 22 millimeter, and this is 6 millimeter is this, and 6 millimeter is this, and 14 millimeter is this, and this is distance is a 48 millimeter. Okay, and this is a 60 degree angle. Okay, at first select a right plane. At first drawing a 2 reference line, because this reference line is very useful. Okay, and select again a reference line. This is a horizontal, and this is a horizontal line, and this is a vertical line. 2 reference line is drawing here, and click a line and draw a simple geometry is drawing here, because this geometry is a very useful this body is design. Okay, and this is a perfect, and okay, and this is a simple. Okay, this is a simple geometry is a drawing here. This curve is a drawing here. This not any relation. Okay, this is a perfect this drawing here. Okay, and any this line is a this this is a okay, and this to connect to this. Okay, this is a simple geometry drawing here, and mention all dimension. At first drawing this point, and this line is a drawing here. A distance is a 14 millimeter. Okay, and again select this point, okay, and use this point, and this distance is a 35 millimeter. Okay, and use select this point, and this distance is a 88 millimeter. Okay, and select this line, and this is a 138 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is a 22 millimeter. Okay, and okay, and select this. Okay, and this distance is a 6 millimeter, and again select this distance is a 6 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect. And this distance is a 14 millimeter, this is a 47 millimeter, is perfect. And select this point, and this line is a distance is a 47. Okay, and all is a perfect and correct. Okay, and select this point, and this distance is a 81 millimeter. Okay, and this is a distance is a 28 millimeter, this, and perfect. And this distance is this 2, and this distance is a 48 millimeter, is this. Okay, and select this, and this angle is a 60-degree angle. Okay, this angle is a 60-degree angle, is perfect. 60-degree angle. Okay, okay, all is perfect. And this relation, this point, and this relation is a horizontal. Okay, all is a black color, means this is a fully defined and perfect. Okay, all is correct. And guys, this is a very useful. Okay, and this is a perfect 48 millimeter, and this is a 14 millimeter, and this is a 88 millimeter, and 35 millimeter, and this is a 28 millimeter, and this is a 35 millimeter, 47 millimeter. In all geometry is a, you can see here. Okay, all geometry is a 1 by 1 is a use here this. Okay, and going to this revolve boss base, and select this axis of revolution, and then this convert a 3D body. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and again select this use select this face, sketch, normal, and reference line is a drawing here, this to this, and this line is a very important. And select this a pattern, and this diameter is a 20 millimeter, and this distance is a 112.5 millimeter, is this, and pattern is 6 pattern. Okay, and this distance is not mentioned here, but this distance is a 120 millimeter, this. Okay, and this is perfect and okay, this distance is mentioned here, this Okay, but this apply a thread and then distance is a 120. Okay, and use a circle, drawing here this and this is a vertical line, and this distance is a this point to this is a 112.5 millimeter, and this diameter is a 20 millimeter. Okay, and use a X pattern or circular pattern is perfect, and select this point and use this pattern, and pattern is a 6 pattern and equal spacing and 360-degree angle. Okay, all is perfect and correct, and click OK, and again select going to extrude cut. Extrude cut is a through all, and click OK. Okay, all is perfect, and whole wizard is apply here, and select this face, sketch. Okay, not mentioned, but this is a normal. Okay, and this is a normal is perfect, and going to whole wizard. Whole wizard use this a state tab. State tab is perfect, and at first select this two hole. First and second two hole is a size is M24, and two size is a two hole each size is M12. Okay, and at first select this state tab, and standard is ISO, and type is a bottoming tapered hole. Perfect, and size is a M24. First is M24, and blind is this, and this is a okay, and perfect and correct mention here. Okay, this is perfect. Some important point discuss here. Okay, this use a 27 millimeter, and this use a 24 millimeter is perfect, and all is correct. First is use here this 27 millimeter, and this is 24 millimeter, and size is M24, and okay, all is perfect, and going to position, and this is a sketch normal. Okay, and drawing a reference line. Reference line is perfect drawing here, because this use a mid plane. Okay, select this line and press a control button and select this point and use a mid plane. Okay, and all is perfect, and dimension is mentioned here. This is a 120 millimeter. Okay, 120 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and this use a point and automatic. This is a okay, first point and second. Okay, and click OK. Okay, okay, this is a not thread is mentioned here, and again select going to this option, document properties and detailing, and this check here a shaded cosmetic thread, then automatic select this thread is showing here. Okay, this thread is showing here easily and clearly. Okay, and perfect, and again select going to this whole wizard, and this going to M12 size is a M12. Again select a state tab here, a standard is ISO, and bottoming tapered hole, and size is M12. M12 is a perfect. Okay, and this is a this is a perfect. Okay, this use a 15 and this use a 12. Okay, and this spline is this 15 millimeter and this is a 12 millimeter, and also perfect. And going to this. Okay. Some important point. Okay, this is a perfect. And this is a perfect and correct. And size is M12 and all is perfect. And going to option, and this select this and the normal. Okay, and going to a reference line, drawing here this to this, and this line I press a control button and select this point, and this is a mid plane, and dimension is a 88 millimeter is perfect. This is a 88 millimeter is perfect. And going to this point, and both side is the first point and second point. Okay, and okay. Okay, all is perfect and correct. This thread is also this, and apply this brush. Okay, all is mentioned here this. Okay, all point is discussed here. All point is discussed here easily and clearly. And okay guys, this is a mention here 138 millimeter is this radius, and then 226 millimeter diameter is same, and 22 millimeter, and this is a same here, and 6 millimeter is also same here, and this 138 millimeter, and this diameter is a 276 millimeter. This radius is 88 millimeter, this diameter is a 176 millimeter, and this 28 millimeter is radius, then diameter is a 56 millimeter is same. Okay, all is perfect. All dimension is you can see here. Okay, and isometric view is this. Okay, and back side is this is a perfect and correct. Okay. Okay, and guys, all point is discussed here one by one, all is correct. And guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is design. And guys, today discuss here a very important project discuss here, and this project is a grease nipple design. Okay, and this grease nipple design is very useful and helpful all to the drafting is okay. This is a dimension is all dimension is clear looking here, and all dimension is perfect. Okay, you can see here easily and clearly all dimension is looking here. And today discuss here a very important project discuss here, and today discuss here one by one in all project, all point is discussed here one by one. And this is a thread value. This is a thread value is also available here. Okay, and this project is a drawing here easily and clearly. Okay, and all point is a discuss here one by one, and how to this body is design easily and clearly. And this is a use a section view, and section view is also available here. This is a perfect. And this is a nipple, and this is a round is this mouth is closed. Okay, and this is a perfect. And okay, this is a perfect and correct. And how to this body is design easily and clearly. Okay, let's start here this body is design. Okay, at first click a part is this, and some setting is very important. Use a plain white, and this is a going to option property, and this is a document property, and use image quality is very high because this body is looking perfect and correct. Okay, okay, and this body is a perfect. Okay, at first drawing some geometry, and this geometry is a click here this body is design. At first this is a radius is 6 mm is curve, and this curve is 2 mm. Okay, and this distance is 4 mm, and this distance is a 10 mm. Okay, and this center distance is a 5 mm, and this full distance is 8 mm radius and distance, and this middle is a 6 mm. And okay, select a plane, front plane, and select a line. Line is a draw a line is a below the origin point, and this is a okay, drag a curve is this, and also this is a curve is also select here. Okay, and drag a straight line, and this line, and this is a okay, and this line is a this connect to this. Okay, and this line is very important. Okay, and some geometry is a define here, and this point center point and this origin point this is a coincident. Okay, this is a very important. And align a dimension is this curve is a 6 mm, and this curve is a 2 mm. Okay, and this distance is a 4 mm, and also this distance is a 5 mm, and this point to this line distance is a 8 mm. Okay, and this center point to this distance is a 6 mm. Okay, all is perfect, and all is a this is a fully defined. Okay, and this line is a okay, and this is a delete here. Okay, and this is a use a horizontal Okay, and this line is also vertical line, and all is perfect. This, okay, all is correct and perfect. And use a this is a revolve boss, and click this. Okay, all is perfect, and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, next point is discuss here. This is a drawing this hexagon. Hexagon is distance is a hexagon. This is a hexagon distance is 14.3, and a circle is drawing. This is a 18. Okay. At first select this face, sketch normal, drawing a hexagon. Hexagon is a this, and also drawing a circle. Circle is a this. This is a bigger circle is drawing here, and this is a vertical line. A vertical line is drawing here, and dimension is this point to is a 14.3. 14.3 is perfect, and this circle is a 18. Okay, and 14.3 is perfect because this is a curve is this some upper side line is perfect, and also 2 is better. 14.33 is perfect, and click a extrude cut. Extrude cut is a 5 mm because this is a perfect, and click OK. OK and correct. Okay, all is looking perfect and correct. Okay, and next is this, and also select okay, next point is select this, and okay, and this is a fillet is 0.5 mm is fillet. Use a fillet 0.5. This is a and perfect. Okay, and some important point is discuss here. This is a perfect. A 3.5 mm is perfect, and one is also this is cutout is a 3 mm, and 23 mm is cutout. Also this face sketch normal, and drawing a circle. Circle is a 3 mm, and this is a perfect 3 mm, and this cutout is a extrude cut. Extrude cut is up to 23 mm. Okay, and okay, this is a perfect line. Select here. Okay, this is a perfect, and 23 is a correct. Okay, this is a better, and also use a this is a perfect. Okay, and next is use here this, use this is a okay, this is a perfect lane. Okay, one is a missing point, and this is use a this is a 10. Okay, this is a perfect 10 mm is perfect. some missing point, and this length is a 10 millimeter, and click OK. And section B is also click OK, and also OK. All is perfect. And use a chamfer. Use a chamfer is a 1 millimeter, and click this and click OK. And next is use a front plane. Use a right plane, and use a plane this, and this plane is select a 3.5 millimeter. And click OK. This is a perfect. And select this sketch normal. And draw a circle. Circle is this circle is drawing here, and this circle diameter is this. This is a diameter is a cutout, and this cutout diameter is and this diameter is 10.5. This is a 10.5 is perfect. And use a extrude cut. Extrude cut is use this is a direction is reverse, and click OK. This is a perfect. And this plane is hide. This plane is hide. And again select a front plane, sketch normal. And drawing a second sketch, and second sketch is also very nice and very important. And some use a select a line. Line is select this point, select a line. And this line is this to this point, and also this drag a curve is this to this, and connect to this. This is a very important. And also this line is this is a 12 millimeter. This 12 millimeter is perfect. And this is a 5 millimeter. And also this is a 4 millimeter. And this line is a 3 millimeter, and also this line is also 3 millimeter. And because this line is a perfect, this distance is 3 millimeter, and also this is 3 millimeter. This distance is 3 millimeter, and also 3 millimeter. And this distance is 5 millimeter. And this is a 4 millimeter. Correct. 5 millimeter and 4 millimeter. And this curve is a 2.6 millimeter, and this is a fillet is 1 millimeter. And all is perfect. And this distance is a 5.2 millimeter. And this distance is a 5.2 millimeter, and this curve is a 2 millimeter, and this point to this distance is a 3 millimeter is also. And this line to this is a 5 millimeter. Because this is a 5.2 millimeter. And Okay, this is a 5.2 millimeter, and this is a curve is a 2.6 millimeter. Okay, 2.6 millimeter. Okay, and this point to this distance is a perfect, but this point to this distance is a okay, this line is delete here, and this point to this distance is a 5.2 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and all is correct, but this is a 4.5 millimeter, and all is correct. Okay, okay, all is perfect. This is a 4 millimeter, and this is a 5 millimeter, 2.6 millimeter. This cutout is a 2 millimeter, and this is a length is a 12.7 plus 3 15.7 millimeter is cutout is this is a this, and okay, okay, all is perfect and correct. Okay, and click a revolve boss base and click this. Okay, all is perfect. Looking here, click OK. Okay, but some point is very important. This is this face. This face is a sketch here, sketch normal, drawing a hexagon. Okay, drawing a circle, a big circle, and also drawing a hexagon. Hexagon is this line is a vertical. Okay, line is a vertical, and this is a this point to this is a 9 millimeter, and also select this is a 11 millimeter is perfect, and this is a 9 millimeter, and this is a 11 millimeter is this. Okay, and use extrude cut. Extrude cut is perfect, and use a 5 millimeter only, and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect, and this face select here a sketch normal, and drawing a circle. Circle is a this, and this circle is a 2 millimeter, and extrude cut is apply here. Extrude cut is a 15.7 because, and you can see here easily this is a perfect and correct, and use a this is a 12.7 plus 3 this distance is 3, and this is a use a 12.7 15.7. Okay, and click OK. Okay, and this is a perfect and correct. Okay, all is looking perfect, and use a section and click OK. This is a looking nice, and OK, and also select a front plane sketch normal, drawing a center line to this to this to this, or drawing a circle. Circle is this, circle is this, and drawing a line connect to this to this. Okay, and this is use a trim and trim delete here, and this line is a this, and use a revolve boss and click this. Okay, and click OK. This is a, and select this and use a material is chrome. Okay, and also use this material is apply here, and this material is a brush. Okay, and also this is a perfect, and section view is also, and click OK. This is a looking perfect, and this ball is a drawing here, and ball is a this is a okay. This is a perfect. Okay, and next is a apply a thread, because all is a perfect looking here, and all geometry is one by one is design here. Only a thread is apply here, and thread is a length is 9 mm and pitch is 1 mm, and M7 size offset is 2 mm, and thread is apply here a thread, and click OK. This is a, and offset is 2 mm. Okay, and use a okay. This is a perfect, and this is a 9 mm. Okay, 9 mm, and a metric die, and M7 multiply 1 mm, and click OK. Okay, this is a thread is a very nice looking here, and okay, all is looking perfect, and all geometry is a design here. Okay, okay, and select OK. This is a perfect. Okay, guys, all point discuss here are very important, and guys, I hope you will learn all point discuss here are very easily and clearly learn here. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment, and guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.